Hey guys, it's Crazy Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video, we're going to be going over the Dollar General clearance event visuals and coupon matchups part 6. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's right down below this video. And while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second to share the video. Now, for those of you who are just now joining us, we have an epic Dollar General clearance event that is going to start on Friday, March the 3rd and run through Sunday, March the 5th, which means we have a ton of items that are going to be an additional 50% off, which means we have coupon matchups, we've got freebies, we've got overages, we have it all. Now, whether or not you've been with me all week long preparing for this Dollar General clearance event, or if you're just now tuning in, it's okay. I have everything covered. You just want to make sure that you check out the pinned comment right down below this video, because I have already uploaded a ton of videos going over the most frequently asked questions, going over the specific categories that are going to be included in this Dollar General clearance event. Plus, I have already uploaded 5 other videos with visuals and coupon matchups. So make sure that you check out that pinned comment. I'm going to have all those videos listed and linked for you right down below. So check it out before you click off of this video. All right, so let's go ahead and roll on into part 6 of our clearance event videos. And in this one, we're going to be going over all of our bath and body items. So we're going to cover body wash, bar soaps, and at the end, I do have hand soaps and some hand sanitizers as well. And let me go ahead and give you all a fair warning. There are a ton of deals, a ton of freebies in this category. So y'all get your notebooks out and get ready to take some notes. Now, while we're talking about a ton of deals, I do want to go ahead and address one question that I've seen a couple of people ask, and that is about the instant savings. So if y'all haven't heard, we have instant savings this week on Suave, Tresemme, and Vaseline products. It is saved $2 automatically at the register when you purchase 2. Now, a couple of things that I want you all to remember with instant savings. Number 1, you can mix and match. So if you find one Tresemme product and one Suave product that you want to pick up, you can definitely mix and match, and that instant savings will still apply at the register. Number 2, you definitely want to make sure that you scan the items and scroll down and make sure that the instant savings shows up underneath, just like we do with our digital coupons. Now, I don't want you guys to get digital coupons confused with instant savings. So with digital coupons, those are one-time use only per account. So you can only use them one time per phone number, and then they're gone. You can't get them back. However, some really good news, especially with this Dollar General clearance event. Like I said, it is going to be epic. Instant savings, you can use multiple times. You really don't even have to type in your phone number for it to be applied at the register. So if you wanted to pick up 4 of the Suave body washes that are included, you will have a total of $4 coming off at the register, and you can do that all in the same transaction. So if you picked up 6 Suave body washes, you're going to have $6 come off at the register. However, again, make sure that you all scan each and every single item that you're expecting the instant savings to apply to make sure that that instant savings shows up underneath each item. Now, this is kind of perfect timing, because right now, all of the Suave body washes are scrolling across your screen right now. Starting tomorrow on Friday, these are going to be $1.01. Now, like I've said in previous videos, there's going to be a lot of different ways that y'all can mix and match. And we also have several digital coupons to go right along with that instant savings. So like I said, there's going to be a lot of different ways that y'all can mix and match and combine coupons with the instant savings to come out with a really good deal. For instance, on this one, this is just an example. I put buy 5 at $5.05. Use both of those digital coupons plus the instant savings, and you're going to pay just 5 cents for all 5 body washes. However, even after you've used those digital coupons, you can still pretty much get the same exact deal. All you have to do is pick up 2 of the Suave body washes. That's going to put you at $2.02. Then go up to the register. You don't even have to type in your number. That $2 in instant savings will come off, and that's going to leave you paying 2 pennies for 2 body washes. And like I said, if you wanted to pick up 4, there should be $4 coming off at the register. $6 coming off at the register. So the deals are endless during this Dollar General clearance event. Now, I know that y'all probably don't want to hear me talk throughout this entire video. That way y'all can focus on the deals. So I'm going to turn on a little music, and I'll be back with y'all here in just a few minutes. But if you do have any questions, make sure that you leave it down in the comment section below. Alright guys, so now we've made it to the end of part 6 and I still have more information to share with you all. So I need everybody to cross their fingers and wish me luck that I can get everything done today. So y'all make sure that you stay tuned. Your girl is working her tail off putting these videos together. Keep in mind, I am a one-woman show here on the Craz-E Coupons YouTube channel. So before you go, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Hit that subscribe button. It's right down below. And while you're at it, do me a huge favor. Huge favor. Hit the thumbs up and leave a smile down in the comment section below. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a wonderful day and I will see you on the next one.